Bitcoin is currently developing a new consolidation phase after creating this huge pump towards the upside. So this is of course a very good signal, and this is exactly what we want to be seeing getting created after such a nice pump towards the upside. But one thing is for sure, and one thing is quite concerning me, we are still trading inside of a weekend. So most probably we are just going to be consolidating at about our CME close price, which in this case was the 29.6k level. And we need to be talking about this exactly, about some longer term charts, because I might be entering a new trading position whenever we are going to be retesting this support level. Our funding rates are still looking quite bullish in my opinion, and many more things that we need to discuss in this update video. So without any further ado, let's have a look in towards the imminent short term. And as we already discussed in this intro of this video, well, we are currently developing a new consolidation period. But I'm not looking to be trading this consolidation period or this breakout, because of course, like I already discussed, well, we are trading inside of a weekend. So either if we are going to be creating a breakout right here, most likely a lot of Bitcoin traders will just get trapped and we will just reverse inside of the opposite direction. And the other possibility right here during this weekend is that we are just going to be consolidating like nothing is happening and once again creating a very boring weekend, just like we did all of our previous weekends. And in the end of the day, the most easy way to understand all of this is basically that we have a magnet at our CME close price, and either if we are going to be consolidating towards the upside, we will be getting pushed back towards the downside because of our magnet, and also for the reverse if we were to be trading towards the downside. But probably in the beginning of next week, we will be retracing back towards this 29.6k level. So that is why during this weekend I'm rather staying on the sidelines, because quite a few fake outs could be happening over here. Now if we were to in the end of the day be breaking out towards the downside, I would be having a look in towards this next support level, where definitely if we are going to be going back towards this support level, I am going to be interested in opening up a long position. Now the other scenario is of course that we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside with a valid good breakout, and then I'm going to be watching this 31k level next, and this will be the upper target of this upper range. So in the end of the day, well, we have just entered a new range right here, and probably we will just be consolidating inside of this range until we are actually going to be seeing a valid breakout out of this range. So that is where I'm watching for. I'm definitely going to be interested in opening up this long position. Now, why? You might ask, why am I looking forward to opening up long positions here? Well, it is pretty much because all of these reasons I've explained right here on my Twitter page. And these are 13 reasons why Bitcoin is fundamentally guaranteed to keep pumping basically. And you should have a look in towards all of these reasonings, because these reasonings are all for the longer term horizon, and why I definitely do think we will be keeping up our pump towards the upside right here also in the short term. Now the funding rates are still looking quite bullish in my opinion. Most of the exchanges, they have been looking quite negative, and that is a positive thing for the bulls. Now other than that, more reasons why I'm going to be very interested in opening up long positions right here is going to be that we have gotten these massive breakouts out of these massive resistances. We have literally broken our 2-year downtrend. It is about almost 2 years that we have been trading inside of this downtrend, and you might even extend this all the way over here, and we are finally breaking above this resistance level. And for the longer term, I've said it before and I'll say it again, the 31k level is really going to be the level to watch. Whenever we are going to be breaking above this level, it is going to be game over for all the Bitcoin bears. Probably at that moment we are going to be seeing an insane Bitcoin candle all the way towards the 37k level getting created. So this range will be very important. If we can be breaking above this range, it will be huge for Bitcoin. Now, with that being said, keep your eyes out on the Bitcoin chart. We are hitting some resistance levels, so I would not FOMO buy right now. I would actually rather wait for some kind of a pullback to happen before jumping in towards the Bitcoin right here. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you guys in another update video tomorrow morning.